S&M Selective Wave Soldering provides professional solutions for soldering complex PCBA boards. Automatic rail system, online automatic with adjustment to ensure precise positioning of PCBA board. Programmable spray control ensures uniform coverage of flux and precise dosage. Intelligent preheating activates flux disease and reduces thermal stress deformation. The double tin furnace is independently temperature controlled and can automatically add tin to ensure a good hole filling effect. The overall solder joints are full and the plates are detected through automated means. S&M focuses on high-end welding equipment and empowers reliability.